How to pay using Cash App on DoorDash. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can basically pay using the Cash App on DoorDash. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to pay using the Cash App on your DoorDash, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch your DoorDash by simply opening your browser, going to DoorDash.com. Now you can also pay after the order, or you can just previously link your Cash App to your DoorDash so that it will be easy whenever you're paying. And to do this, you tap the three lines option from the top left of the screen. Here you go to the option called payment, and when you go to the option called payment, here you can see different payment methods, which could be a credit debit card or maybe with your PayPal, but you'll find the third option that says Cash App Pay. Now all you have to do is tap the Cash App Pay option over here and just make sure to log in with the Cash App account details. After you do that, you'll be successfully linking your Cash App to your DoorDash, and then after that you should be able to pay using Cash App. This way you can pay with Cash App on DoorDash. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.